Hey everyone, if you want to improve security in AnyDesk by allowing only trusted devices in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to add and manage trusted devices step by step. First, open AnyDesk and go to the Settings menu. This is where all security and connection controls are managed. Next, click on the Security tab. This section controls access permissions and device security. Now scroll to the Access Control or Permissions section. This is where you can manage which devices are allowed to connect. Enable the option for trusted devices or allow list mode. So, this ensures only approved devices can access your computer. Next, add a new device by entering its AnyDesk address or selecting it from recent connections. This registers it as a trusted device. Now confirm the authorization request. This step ensures only verified devices are added. Click Apply or Save to store your changes. Without saving, your trusted device list won't update. Now test the setup by connecting from the trusted device. It should connect without issues or extra verification. If needed, you can remove or manage devices from the same list. So this helps you keep your access list clean and secure. Make sure AnyDesk is always updated. Updates improve security and help prevent unauthorized access issues. And that's it. You've successfully added trusted devices in AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.